Good morning, students. Today
Good
we
morning,
will
ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
morning, ma'am. Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning, ma'am.
today we are going to
Morning, ma'am.
do worksheet 6.
Good morning,
I
ma'am.
hope all of you have completed till worksheet 5.
Yes,
Ma'am, we
ma'am.
will do worksheet 5 से करेंगे.
Okay.
Ma'am, chapter 3 के worksheet 5 से.
Okay, we did till worksheet 4. Okay, we'll do
Yes, ma'am.
worksheet 5. Yes,
Ma'am, chapter 3.
yes. Chapter 3, worksheet 5. Are you ready? Now
Yes,
you
ma'am.
can see the picture.
Yes, ma'am.
You can see the picture. What is the situation and what each person wants? That you have to write. And you have to write a sentence connecting the two pictures using and, but, or. So you can see each,
Good morning.
yes, each bubble has got two pictures in it. Now, first picture you can see a boy boarding the bus, and on the other side, he is looking at the bus, at a board on the bus stop. Now, what have they written? She wants to go home, but by bus, but there is no bus to her home. Now, at the board, she is looking if she can get a bus for her home, but there is no bus. Okay. Now, picture 2, you can see a boy. It's very hot and he's feeling thirsty. Now, he wants to drink juice. Now, what will you write here?
Ma'am, can I say Swasti?
Yes, Swasti.
Ma'am, can I say He
You will
wants to
raise your
drink
hand. If you want to answer, raise your hand. Raise your hand if you want to answer. Yes, Swasti, give the answer.
He wants to drink juice, but the juice shop is closed.
Huh? But the boy is
Juice shop is
thirsty.
closed.
The boy is thirsty and he wants to drink juice. The boy is thirsty and he wants to drink juice.
Yes, ma'am, but the juice shop is closed.
No, shop is not closed.
And
Achha, but if you
Ma'am,
use,
but
yes,
there
yes.
is no.
If
Thirsty
you use,
wants to drink a juice.
yes, the boy is thirsty or the boy wants to drink juice, but the shop is closed. Actually, they have not shown the shop is closed. Here they are showing the boy is thirsty, he wants to drink juice.
Ma'am,
Now you have to do picture reading, children.
Ma'am, please repeat.
The boy is thirsty and he wants to drink juice. Yes. Now the third picture, you can see a boy looking at the show window. The boy is
Ma'am, can I
looking
say
at the
Kumar Park?
showcase of the shop.
Ma'am, can I
He
say Kumar
wants to
Park?
buy some dresses.
Ma'am, can I say Swasti?
Ayush Raj, give the answer. Ayush, give the
Ma'am,
answer.
Ma'am, can I say
Ma'am, can
Swasti?
I say Kumar
You
Park?
have to be quick, children.
Ma'am, can I say Kumar Park? He wants to buy clothes, but
Cloth
he
नहीं,
has no money.
cloth is कपड़ा. Cloth का मतलब होता है
He wants to buy
unstitched कपड़ा.
but
ठीक है? And clothes means stitched. जो dresses होती है ना, that comes in clothes. And cloth means एक कपड़े का टुकड़ा. That is a cloth. So don't get confused in this. He wants to buy clothes because you can see the dresses in the show window. So he wants to buy clothes, but he does not have money. But he does not have money. Yes. Next picture.
Good morning, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I
can I
say
say Kumar Park?
Fourth picture. Kumar
Ma'am,
Park.
can I say?
Please mute yourself. Akansha, give the
Ma'am, can
answer.
I say? Yes, ma'am. Boy wants to play, but he did not complete his homework.
Yes, but if I say that you use or in this picture, then what will you write?
Ma'am, he wants to study or to play.
नहीं, और to play कैसे? ठीक से बोलिए.
Ma'am, he wants to play football.
Ma'am, he wants to play football or he cannot do his
wants to play, but also he wants to study, but he wants to play.
Ma'am, he thinks.
Ma'am, he wants to play football or he has not completed his
No,
homework.
no.
Football.
Let me see who can give the right answer. Language should be correct, children.
Ma'am, yeah, Siddhant.
Yes,
And the boy
Siddhant,
can
give the answer.
play with friends, but not.
Ma'am, the ball wants
Ma'am, he thinks. He
have
thinks to play football, but
अच्छा, but वाला तो answer is correct. But is correct. I'm asking if anyone can make a sentence with or. But answer is correct. He wants to.
Ma'am, he wants
नहीं,
to play
he-
football
a
or
boy has
he
to
cannot
study for
do his
exam,
homework.
but he wants to play.
the boy wants to play football, or he, ma'am, the body, ma'am, the
Ma'am,
Ma'am, he wants to play
football
football
or he cannot do his
and
homework.
his homework has not completed. Ma'am, can
Ma'am, he wants to
Ma'am,
play
ये with
football
but
or
only.
he
Okay, you make
or
it with but only.
homework.
But से ही बनाइए. But से आप लोग ठीक बना रहे हैं. Now the last one.
he wants to play football but he cannot do his homework.
Okay. But he has to study for exam. He wants to play football, but he has to study for exam. Now the last one, picture 5. It's a sunny day and he wants to go for swimming.
The sunny day.
Yes?
Ma'am, can I say Swasti?
Ma'am, the
Yes,
day was
yes.
ma'am, the
The
day was
too hot and he wants to swim in swimming pool.
He wants to go for swimming. Why swim in swimming pool? And he wants to go for swimming. Okay. With this worksheet is complete. Now, worksheet 6. I'm giving you 1 minute time.
Ma'am,
Just-
please repeat the question number 5.
It is very hot and he wants to go for swimming. The day is very hot and he wants to go for swimming. Okay. Now worksheet 6, I'm giving you 1 minute time.
Okay, ma'am.
Just underline those sentences which are compound sentence. All the compound sentences you have to underline quickly.
Ma'am, I underlined C. Kumar Parth's camera.
Ma'am, I also ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, completed.
Let others also do it. Otherwise, they will not apply their brain. If anyone is having any problem, you can ask me. Yes. Okay. Now, British drivers and mobile phones. British drivers are the safest and the most polite in Europe. Is it a compound or a simple sentence?
Ma'am,
Compound
compound
sentence.
sentence. Ma'am,
Yes.
compound
Why?
sentence.
Because British drivers are the safest. One, and British drivers are most polite in Europe. So 2 are there. Now, just 1 in 10 London drivers does not stop at red light and 9 in 10 obey parking laws. Is it a compound or a simple sentence?
Ma'am, compound
Ma'am,
sentence.
compound sentence. Ma'am, compound sentence. Ma'am, compound sentence.
Okay. Mobile phones are becoming fast becoming a necessity. Compound or simple?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
simple
simple
sentence.
sentence. Ma'am, simple sentence. Ma'am, simple sentence.
They are no doubt very helpful, but they prove to be a problem on the road.
Compound
or simple?
sentence.
Compound sentence. Compound sentence.
Okay.
Ma'am, compound
Many
sentence.
drivers using mobile phones have smashed into the car in front. Compound or simple?
Ma'am, simple
Simple
sentence.
sentence.
Simple sentence. The traffic police have been working hard to find the solution, but have found little success. Simple or compound?
Ma'am, compound sentence.
Compound. It
sentence.
seems impossible to convince drivers not to carry or use mobile phones while driving. Compound.
Compound
Compound
sentence.
sentence.
Compound sentence.
Yes,
Compound
very
And
good.
ma'am, next
And the
all are
last one is
simple
also
sentence.
compound sentence. One solution brings some hope. Drivers do not use mobile phone at all or pay a fine of 50 pounds each time they've seen using a mobile phone while driving. Okay. Now, children, they say that you should practice this kind of exercise. Like you can take a newspaper article, and in that you find out how many simple sentences are there, what are compound sentences are there. See, it's written. The students' activity for the students' activity. Extend this activity by showing the students an English newspaper and pointing out one or two main articles. Ask them to write in separate columns at least 5 simple sentence and 5 compound sentence. Okay. So this you can do. Take a newspaper article and find out. Now worksheet 7. Worksheet 7. You have been given 4 topics. First one is homework should be abolished. Shalu Patel, please mute yourself. Homework should be abolished. All schools should have 5-day week. Children should be admitted only to neighborhood school. An ideal school's student. Now 4 topics are given. Any one you have to pick up and write on it.
Voice is not coming.
What happened?
Yes, ma'am, your
All of
voice
you
is
are
not
not able
clear.
to hear me?
Ma'am,
You are very clear.
able to hear you. Ma'am, we
Very
able to
Your
hear
voice is
you.
very clear.
Okay, okay.
We are unable to hear you.
clear.
Ma'am,
your
voice is
Audible.
very clear.
Acha, theek hai. Okay. Now, the 4 topics which are given, you have to write on it, and you have to use a mixture of simple sentence and compound sentence. That we always do. Whenever we write, we use compound sentence as well as simple sentence. And sometimes we use complex sentence also. So,
Recording in progress.
Guru Priya, mute yourself, yes. So you will be writing an article. Now, homework should be abolished. You know the meaning of abolished? Abolished means
No, ma'am.
removed.
Ma'am,
They
ma'am
should-
to do. Ma'am to do.
Yes, there should be no homework given to the students. Do you? Now, if you want to write an article on this, you have to write, what do you think? Homework should be abolished? Here they are saying homework should be abolished. Now the topic says that the homework should be abolished. Isko hata dena chahiye. No homework should be given. If you think this is correct, you will write, why do you think it's correct? If you think it's wrong, then you write why you think it is wrong. Why it should not be abolished. Now, some children will say, because if homework is given and we do the homework, in that way we are doing the revision also of the chapter is done. And some children will say, no, no homework should be given because we have already read in class. So all the revision work should also be done in class only. So
Ma'am, we have to write all ma'am on for this. Ma'am only on for one. Ma'am, we have to write
any
article.
one you have to write, any one. Now all schools should have 5-day week. Either you write on this first one or on this. All schools should have
Ma'am,
5-day
ma'am,
week.
ma'am, I have a 5-day week school. Ma'am, the Radiant. Ma'am, it is 5-day week school. Ma'am,
Okay,
Saturday
okay.
and Sunday.
Again, when you are writing, schools should be 5-day week. You have to give reasoning also why it should be 5-day week. Yes. What are the benefits of a 5-day school?
Because we relax.
Yes. So you will be writing. Okay. Now children should be admitted only to neighborhood school. Now, a neighborhood school means to close by schools, schools which are close by, not to very far off school. Now, when you are going to far off school, you have to do a lot of children. You have to travel a lot, and that traveling a lot will make exhaust you, and you are not able to study properly. Battery low. So इसमें कैसे ट्रांसफर होगा इसमें कैसे ट्रांसफर होगा
Ma'am, please repeat.
Now, an ideal school student. Ideal school means a perfect school. Now, what should be a perfect example of a perfect school student? What type of a student should be?
Ma'am,
Perfect school,
discipline.
ideal school student. He
Ma'am,
should be very good, very hardworking, very
Ma'am, discipline.
Ma'am, it have a ma'am,
very
very good
disciplined.
playground,
Yes.
etc. Ma'am, the Tata classes. Ma'am, the smart classes. Tata classes also given to.
Okay. Okay, so you will be doing this article. Okay. Now worksheet 8. Worksheet 8. Quickly, children. Now here you have to put commas after every see, put commas. Now Raman cooked the meal, comma, and Ronnie washed the dishes. Now they say that a comma is placed before a coordinating conjunction in a compound sentence. Now here you can see a conjunction in between, and before that you put a comma. I'm giving you 1 minute. Quickly do it. Quickly do it.
Ma'am, I completed, please.
Now let others
V.
also.
Kumar Parth camera.
Ma'am, you are muted.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, you are muted.
Ma'am, done.
Ma'am, I have completed.
Ma'am, you are muted.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, please change the bus.
Now first one will be after film, comma,
Yes, ma'am.
after
Film.
bedroom.
Bedroom.
After bedroom,
Ma'am,
there
third
will
में
be a
after
comma.
computer.
Then
Ma'am,
after computers, there will be a comma.
Ma'am,
After day.
Ma'am,
And
Day.
after day,
after the
And
day.
ma'am,
Ma'am,
sixth
after
after
day.
message. After message.
after
Ma'am,
No,
message,
six
ma'am,
में
first,
after
ma'am.
calls and
Seventh
ma'am.
after read.
after
Ma'am,
message.
after
After
shoot
read.
and after your
wants to read.
message.
seven
Ma'am, after the shoot,
Completed.
ma'am, after
Ma'am,
your
please mute
message, second
everyone.
comma. Ma'am,
Hmm.
2 comma, put it.
Okay.
Ma'am, please mute.
Now, do it yourself. Again, I'm giving you a 1 minute time to go through it. Now, one word is wrong here. The conjunctions used are wrong. Now, you have to underline the conjunction and write the correct one in the space given. Do it.
be charge of
Quickly do it.
worship, but look after women to be in charge of worship and look after remembers both women are in their lead description. I have completed.
Ma'am, I have completed. Completed.
I
Ma'am,
have also
completed.
completed.
Let's
Ma'am, I also completed.
Ma'am, I have also completed.
Ma'am, muted.
Ma'am, you're muted. Ma'am, you are muted.
Ma'am, you are muted.
You are muted.
Have you done it, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
okay. Okay, the first one, the Navy has changed its rule, but
Ma'am, but and
appointed to. Instead of but, we will use and. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now, appointed two women to be in charge of warships, but look after. Instead of but, what will you use?
but
And.
and
Ma'am, and.
Yes, and look after 12 crew members. Both women are in their late 20s or have considerable experience. Instead of
And have
Ma'am, but
again,
considerable experience.
Ma'am, but
Ma'am, and have considerable experience.
ma'am, but because ma'am, they're ma'am is late in 20s, but ma'am, they have the
ma'am
experience. Ma'am,
and
then the but.
And
ma'am,
होगा.
and hoga.
yes, yes,
Yes,
and
ma'am,
have
and hoga.
considerable
Ma'am,
experience.
and होगा.
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, but hoga. Ma'am,
Yes,
but.
ma'am, and hoga.
1 minute.
Ma'am, but
Please be quiet. Both women are in their late 20s and have considerable experience, not but have considerable experience.
Yes.
There are now about 700 women at sea, and discussions are taking
Yes, ma'am,
place as to whether they
Ma'am,
are to be allowed to serve on the board submarines or keep to the warships only. So the first three will be and last one will be or.
And last or.
Yes.
Ma'am, please repeat.
First, again,
ma'am,
I'm
please
saying,
repeat.
children, first three are and last one is or. Okay. First three में and लिखेंगे and last वाले में और लिखेंगे. Now, B. A 14-year-old boy has become the world's youngest billionaire and has made his money by selling motor cars, and his customers are from all over the world.
Ma'am, and
Yes. And होगा, दोनों में and होगा. His success means he owns a huge bungalow, but that is not all. But that is not all. He owns a grand SUV. What will be the answer? And has his own chauffeur. Chauffeur is a driver. A chauffeur who drives him around. Or
Ma'am, and a butler who
and a butler
his
who
kitchen.
looks after his kitchen.
And about.
Okay. So I'm not repeating. Children, I'm repeating. Shivam Swaraj, please mute yourself.
last वाला बच गया.
Shivam Swaraj,
last
Ma'am,
वाला बच
last
गया.
वाले में कुछ नहीं होगा.
last वाले में put a cross. Put a cross. Now first one will be and, second also and, third one but, fourth and, fifth and last blank is cross. Put a cross. That means not required.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Now fill in the blanks with suitable words. Again, I'm giving you 2 minutes time. And don't shout, children. After 2 minutes only, I will ask you the answer. So don't say, ma'am, I've done it, I've done it. I'm giving you 2 minutes time. Fill in the blanks. Do it yourself, and then I will tell you, you will check whether you have got the correct answer or not. I'm giving you 2 minutes.
He saw the boys, but in the fight up badly, but Raghu was a bully and he in the fight, but
Okay. Are you ready with your answer? I
yes,
will.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
now, he saw the boys fighting over the bicycle, but
But
did not
But
approve of it.
Ma'am.
But did not approve of it. You just check your answer. If you have a wrong answer, children, rub it and write the correct answer. Okay? Now, he knew the fight would end up badly, but he was a little surprised at what he saw. Now, Raghu was a bully, and it was Ravi who was being so assertive. And will be the word. He wanted to end the fight, but
ma'am,
but he did not want to seem as if he were interfering. Now, should I stop them or should I let them fight their own battle? Yes.
Can you repeat? Ma'am, can
I repeat it. Children, I will repeat it. Well, let me go. After this, again, I will repeat the answers. He walked up to them and finally he decided to intervene. He walked up to them and clapped his hands They were taken aback and stared at him in surprise. Stop fighting at once or I will call your parents. He warned. We are not fighting, said Raghu disgustedly, but Ravi looked rather happy to see him. Now, again, I will be repeating it. Yes. I will be repeating it. Yes. Now, first one, but. Please check. Second also, but. Third one, and. Then again, but. Next one, or. Then and. Again, and or. And but.
Yes, ma'am.
Got it?
First but, second but,
Yes.
third
yes, ma'am.
fourth but,
Now, with this, children,
sixth
Yes,
and
ma'am.
seventh
with this, we chapter 3 is
or
complete.
ninth but.
Chapter 3 is complete, children. Now, in the
Yes,
next
ma'am.
class, we will be doing reader. Now, up till now, we had to complete 3 chapters in literature. We have done it. 3 chapters in practice book. We have done it. Now, 2 units in reader. So, we have already done 1 unit in reader. Now, we will start with the second unit. Okay, so in the next class, children, you will bring which book?
Ma'am, reader.
Reader book. Reader book.
Yes.
Reader book.
Ma'am, reader book.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Reader book.
ma'am,
You
reader
will
book.
be, yes, you will, you will be ready with your reader book. We will be doing unit 2. Unit 1 we have already done. Unit 2. I can ask, complete all the exercises, children. I can ask any student to show me whether you have completed all the exercise of unit 1 or not. I can ask you, show me on the screen whether your work is complete or not. Okay. So
Yes, ma'am.
everyone should complete their work. Children, as we tell you, you should do your work also. Be sincere. The teacher cannot physically check your book, but at least we can ask you to do it, and you have to be responsible. Now you have to be responsible because no one is checking your work.
Ma'am, can you please send PDF?
Huh? Any problem, any query you have, you can ask, children. First chapter we did is articles in this book. Then we did sentences. Then we did compound sentence. Who will give me the definition of compound sentence? Yes, quickly, let's revise.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, a
Ma'am,
compound
can I
sentence
say
is made up of two or more clauses
clause which
One
are
minute,
independent?
please.
of each other. They are of
Let
same
Parth
order or
answer.
rank and can stand on their own. They
a
are
compound sentence is made up of two or more clauses which are independent.
Kansha, please mute yourself. Lot of sound is coming.
a compound sentence is made up of two
I
or
will
more
take your
clauses
name.
which
You
are
just raise your hand. I will take your name. Yes, Parth, you want to answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, give the answer.
A compound sentence is made up of two or more clauses which are independent of each other.
Yes, very good. Akansha, give the answer.
Yes, ma'am. A compound sentence is made up of two or more clauses which are independent of each other. They are of the same order or rank and can stand on their own. They are coordinate clauses.
Okay. Now in a simple sentence, how many clauses are there?
Ma'am,
One.
Ma'am,
Yes.
one clause.
Yes.
Clause.
Ma'am, only one.
Okay. Who would like to give the definition of compound sentence? Swasti, Swasti, give the answer.
Ma'am, can I say
Okay, ma'am. A compound sentence is made up of two or more clauses which are independent of each other.
Okay. Sangam, give the answer.
Ma'am, can I say?
Sangam.
A compound sentence is made up of two or more clauses which are independent to each other.
Good. Priya.
Can I say?
Priya. Yes, Priya.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. A compound sentence is made up of two or more clauses which are independent of each other.
Okay. Now, what is a sentence? What is a sentence? A definition of a sentence.
A group of
words that make complete sense is called sentence.
Ma'am, can I say Priyaraj? Ma'am, can I say Priyaraj?
Kumar Parth.
Please mute yourself. Lot of sound is coming. Now, how many types of sentences are there? How many types of sentences are there?
Ma'am, there are 4 types of sentences.
Ma'am, there are
1 minute. Siddharth, please answer. Siddharth will answer. Yes, give the answer.
Ma'am, there are 4 types of sentences: assertive sentence, imperative sentence, interrogative sentence, and exclamatory sentence.
Okay. So,
Ma'am, the first ma'am statement, imperative sentence make the command. Ma'am, exclamatory sentence make a powerful expressions, and interrogative sentence make a question mark.
very good. Anyone else wants to give this answer? Only 4 or 5 hand I can see. Rest of them are not taking any interest. Why?
Ma'am, can I say Kumar Parth?
Kumar Parth, yes, give the answer.
Ma'am, what is
There
the
are four types of sentence: declarative sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, exclamative sentence.
Okay, very good. Okay, then Shivam Swaraj. Yes, Shivam Swaraj. Will you answer? Rhythm, you give the answer. Yes. Quickly, because only 1 minute is left. Quickly. Okay, children, see you in the next class. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Bye.